We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Do birds remember their previous owners? Yes, especially parrots. Parrots have memories that are superior to other animals, as they are known to navigate by memory. However, birds, in general, are able to recall actions by their previous owners, and they will act accordingly, such as being shy or aggressive.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.